Hello everyone, hi Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you, yearly reading 2021 predictions. Okay, so this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your yearly predictions. Okay, so let's see your messages, Sagittarius, for the year 2021. Sagittarius, fire sign. Two cards. Two cards I'm not taking. Two cards, that's why I'm not taking. Under the deck, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, let's see our yearly reading, yearly predictions. So first 4 months, this line, and second 4 months, and middle and last 4 months. Okay, what I'm seeing here in year starting 2021 January, I am getting what you are listening to your higher self. Definitely you are concentrating on yourself and you are investing your energy on yourself because High Priestess is there. Definitely you are very matured and you are very balanced in the month of January, and in the month of February you are like guarded up. You are not available to anyone, that you are protecting your emotions in relationship wise. Nine of Wands, definitely because you want to invest your energy on yourself only. And Three of Wands, definitely you're turning your back from someone in relationship wise. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries and states, but something there are, for some there is some separation, for some there is no contact. That's why you're feeling over anxiety and thinking about the other person a lot and not sleeping. And in month of April you are feeling some, you are in some anxiety energy, and you in that month you are thinking, overthinking. Okay, you are overthinking about everything because you are going through something in the month of April. So first 4 months and first 2 months you are yet very good. You are investing your energy on yourself. Then you turn your back from something that doesn't serve you anymore. Then you are undergoing something in your life. Then may the devil. So you may be obsessed with someone or something in your life. That because April, Nine of Swords, definitely you are going through something, and may also that energy is carrying you on because the devil is there. And June, Five of Wands, yeah, someone is coming back to fight for your attention, and there is a lot of drama is going in your life, what I'm getting here. But in July, you overcome all this drama, you overcome all this pain, you stand by your power, you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially, because Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, you are abundant. Definitely you are investing your energy yourself. I already told you in January, in February. Yeah, you are getting so much money, and you are very creative. You are making so much money in your life because a lot of Pentacles energies is there. And Four of Pentacles. So in July, definitely you will receive so much money, and you are very very grounded in that month, and you are very stable. Okay, and Four of Pentacles means you are holding back your emotions. You are holding back your emotions. Okay, you are no more available to anyone, either emotionally. Okay, especially emotionally, because in past you go through a lot of things. That's why you are now holding back, because someone coming to you to offer stability. So in last 4 months, what's going in your life is King of Swords, King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles. Definitely some communication is coming in your way. And King of Pentacles, definitely someone is ready to offer stability to this connection. This could be new person or past person if you are in separation. And Ace of Wands, they are very, very passionate about you. They want brand new beginnings with you. And Seven of Pentacles, I think you also invested in this connection and waiting for the result. Yeah, you invested your energy in something. It may be career also, you are waiting for the result. Okay. But in last 4 months, definitely some love proposals, some marriage proposals coming in your way. So there is a lot of passion involved, Ace of Wands. But you are also very passionate about your work, and you are very interested about your work. You are doing your work passionately. There is a lot of passion involved. You are making more money. You started something new in your life in last 4 months. I think in middle of the year, definitely you achieved some financial abundance. Definitely you are creating more money. Okay. So in first 4 months, you are investing your energy on yourself. Definitely stand by your power. Then middle you go something, but you overcome this energy. Then you will become more powerful and more stable. Then you holding back your feelings. Then you know how to control your feelings. Then you stand by your power. You are very honest in any relationship. You are very straightforward. Then someone coming to you to offer stability. I think you are also achieving some financial stability in your life in last 4 months of 2021. In the middle of 2021, you achieved your financial independence and financial stability also. But in last you achieved more money in your life. You will achieve. And Ace of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion. Someone is very passionate about you coming towards you, and you are investing something, your money into something, I'm seeing here, and waiting for the result. Okay. So it is very positive for you. Only 2 or 3 months you will go through something, but it is just a phase of life. But then you bounce back. Then you stand by your power. Then you're very grounded. What is the best thing in this reading? You are listening to higher self. You are putting your energy into yourself. You are working on yourself. So let's pull some cards from universe. 4 cards for the overall message. Under the deck, 2 of Cups. So what are the overall message for 2021 from universe? Sagittarius. Wow, very, very good year for you. Only 2 months. It is the phase, just lot of abundance. Someone from past is coming. If you are in separation, not someone new. See, Hierophant. King of Wands. 8 of Pentacles. 2 of Wands. Yeah. And under the deck, Emperor. Definitely, if you are waiting for commitment from your person, definitely it is coming. In the first 4 months, you will receive some commitment, because the Hierophant is here. Some marriage proposals you will receive. Okay. Already told you some marriage proposals are coming in your ways in relationship. And King of Wands, there is a lot of passion, I already told you. And that person is also a very strong person. And there is a lot of passion is there between both of you. And in the so 8 of Pentacles, definitely you are working on your career, financial. Definitely you are working very hard towards your goals to achieve your goals. 8 of Pentacles, definitely lot of abundance coming in your way, what I'm seeing here. And some marriage proposals. I think you will get stability on both financially, in relationship also. This year is going to be super good year for you on both ways, in relationship and career ways. And 2 of Wands, I think you are thinking about your career and your relationship a lot, but you will achieve this success. You are here right now, and you will go this, and you will achieve success in 2021 because you are working hard towards your goals. 8 of Pentacles, yeah, some commitments, some stability. I think this is a very good year for you, Sagittarius, because you will getting stability in financial and relationship also. Wow, very very positive reading for you, Sagittarius. So your person involved in this connection may be a lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of earth energy. So this is the reading. This is the just overall prediction, fast prediction. Okay, simple way. In simple way, I explained you. So hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.